Annyeonghaseyo, Archie.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so today is Jeremy and Vincent birthday, right? Pareha silang adlaw birthday. Okay. So Las Vegas Nim gives a cake for Jeremy and also for Vincent. Also since na sila sa school karon what? Morning time sila or morning time silang duha. Okay. So you will take a video later when they receive their cake. Okay. Las Vegas Nim.
Las Vegas 님 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Kiray.
안녕하세요.
Mamayang gabi. So, birthday ni mo gapon? Sa may mong handa? Wala. Di naman ka na birthday. Okay, Kiray, you have 1,000 pesos. Birthday gift from Las Vegas Nim.
Las Vegas 님 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.